Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Zarchiver the storage access framework permission. This is the only reliable method on Android 11 Plus. Open Zarchiver, tap Menu or Storage, and choose Select Storage. When the system picker opens, navigate to Device Storage Root or the specific folder you need and tap Select. Make sure to tap Allow and confirm you want Zarchiver to access that location. This stores a persistent URI so the app can read and write without legacy permissions. Once done, Zarchiver can operate normally with modern scoped storage. Next, confirm the permission persists. Go back to Zarchiver storage settings and look for the mounted storage entry showing a URI or name. If it's missing, repeat the Storage Access Framework picker and be sure you select the storage root. Selecting a single subfolder can limit access. This persists a URI across reboots, so the app won't lose rights. Also, disable any conflicting Manage All Files toggles that aren't needed, because SAF is the recommended, stable path on Android 11 and later. Finish by testing. Extract a small archive into the granted folder to confirm read/write works. If you see errors, make sure the URI remained persistent. Go to Zarchiver settings and reselect storage if needed. Clear cache or app data only if reselecting fails, because that forces a fresh permission flow. If you still can't bypass Android restrictions, consider root access or a different app that uses SAF properly. But remember, granting SAF correctly is typically the only necessary and safe way to fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.